welcome back to my channel. Today I did this beautiful holiday look that I thought would be so perfect and easy to do because like I know not everyone can do eyeshadow very well, so I tried to make it look really simple. It's actually really simple. Actually, like, you could do this with your fingers, and a simple red look that matches your skin tone, you know, the best red that you got, put it on, and like just do a little bit of bronzer and highlighter and you just look amazing. So I just wanted this video to be very simple. Yeah, if you want to see how I did this beautiful holiday look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off doing my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow and just do my eyebrows regular. Then I'm going to clean up my brows using my Maybelline concealer. And don't worry guys, I'm going to link everything down below exactly what I'm using in the video. I just don't want to say it. So yeah. And most of my brushes that I'll be using in this video is from Morphe and from Ruby Kisses. Then I'm going to set my eyebrows and my eyelids using my Airspun Powder, which I really love. Such a good powder. Then I'm going to moisturize with my Pond's moisturizer. I feel like every time I use this moisturizer, my foundation applies on my skin so much better. And I'm gonna use my baby skin primer from Maybelline and put that in my T-zone areas. I'm gonna match these two Maybelline foundations together because one is too dark and one is a little bit too light. So I kind of just mix them and hope for the best. And like one has a little bit more of a yellow undertone, so I guess I just like neutralize them both. I don't know. Just watch me. And I'm also going to clean up the top of my brows with my foundation. You see how like smooth my foundation is going on? And I love these two foundations together because I get the best coverage ever. But you can like see how yellow it kind of looks, but after it dries down, it looks normal. I promise. So to just like neutralize everything out so I don't look too yellow, I used a really light concealer from LA Girls in the shade Porcelain and just like try and blend it out really good, and it fixed everything. A quick trick that I figured out is that wetting your sponge with warm water blends your makeup so much better and makes it look like it's melting in your skin. And that's exactly what I did today, and it looked bomb. Everything was blending so well. And you guys know me, I'm gonna use foundation to contour because once again, it looks more natural and it melts in your skin so much better than concealer. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you hate foundation on your lips. Now I'm going to set my under eyes and everywhere where I put my concealer. Now I'm going to set my contour and make my face look sleek. What? I'm gonna make my jawlines look sharp. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Then I baked just to make everything look better and sharper and more neat. Then I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette and go into this red shade and start blending that out softly into my crease. And you want to use a really light hand. Then I'm going to go into this brown shade and only put that in my inner corners to like give it a smoky eye, but only on the inner corners. I thought that was so cute. I'm going to go into this sparkly brown and put that on top of where I put the brown shade. And it just made my eyes look so smoky. It just gave it such a pretty look. I loved it. I was obsessed with this look. Then I went into this red metallic. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, the metallics in this palette is so good. So good. Then I went ahead and put this metallic green, like bluish shade in my inner corners just to make them pop, because like I thought it was cute, like red and green, the colors of the holidays. So I was like, oh, okay, that's cute. Then I'm going to spray my face with my you guys know what I mean. I can't speak. Once again, I am using blush again. I'm so proud of myself because I used to hate blush. Now I'm starting to like it. And now I'm going to finish contouring my nose. Now I'm going to bake some more with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I really like this powder for sharpening up my jawline specifically because it's just a bomb powder. And now I'm going to start off my highlighter using this cream-like powdery highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And I got the mini size because I was not gonna buy the full size, like too expensive. And blend that out on my face. Comes my favorite part. I'm going to highlight, and the highlighter I'm using is from MAC. I will link it down below. It's not my first time using it, but I've been obsessed with it ever since, so I can't. It's just amazing. I'm going to use these lashes from Kiss. They're literally $3, and when I put them on, they look like $25 lashes. Like, they are so bomb, and you can use them over and over, and you can stack them to make them look more dramatic for only $3, guys. $3. Now I'm going to line my lips with any red lip liner that I got. Then I'm going to use this bomb purple like red shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is one of my favorite lipsticks from her. Like, they are so beautiful. I really like this look. Like, ooh. I'm going to link all the products that I use down below. See you guys soon. I'm going to create more holiday looks because I love the holidays, so why not create a whole bunch? So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.